Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy. Welcome to the Big Ideas series, where we answer curious questions for curious minds. What are the three main types of clouds? Clouds are always changing. Some days the sky is full of them, other days there are only a few. Clouds can help us understand what kind of weather is coming. Scientists group clouds into different types based on their shape and how high they are in the sky. In this video, we will learn about the three main types of clouds: cumulus, stratus, and cirrus. Cumulus clouds are one of the easiest clouds to recognize. They are big, white, and fluffy like cotton balls in the sky. These clouds usually have flat bottoms and rounded, bumpy tops. Cumulus clouds form when warm air rises from the ground. As it goes up, it cools. The moisture in the air turns into tiny droplets of water. These droplets come together to form a cloud. Most cumulus clouds form on sunny days when the air is warm and rising quickly. They float low in the sky and do not usually bring rain. However, if cumulus clouds grow very tall and large, they can turn into storm clouds. A tall, cumulus cloud might grow so high that it reaches the cold parts of the upper atmosphere. When this happens, it can produce rain, thunder, and lightning. But most cumulus clouds stay small and friendly looking. They drift across the sky, bringing shade and beauty to the day. Stratus clouds. Stratus clouds are flat, gray clouds that stretch across the sky like a blanket. These clouds often make the sky look dull or gloomy. Stratus clouds form when a large area of air is lifted slowly and evenly. This slow rising air cools gently and forms clouds that spread out wide instead of rising upward. They usually sit low in the sky, and on some days they can touch the ground. When this happens, we call it fog. Stratus clouds may bring light rain or mist, but they do not usually produce heavy storms. The rain that falls from stratus clouds is steady and gentle, not loud or heavy. Sometimes stratus clouds last all day. The sun stays hidden behind the gray sky, and everything feels calm and quiet. On other days, the clouds break apart in the afternoon and blue sky returns. Either way, stratus clouds are a sign of stable weather, even if it looks a little gray. Cirrus clouds. Cirrus clouds look very different from cumulus or stratus clouds. These clouds are thin and feathery. They form high in the sky where the air is very cold. Because it's so cold up there, cirrus clouds are made of tiny ice crystals instead of water droplets. Cirrus clouds often stretch out in long, wispy lines. Sometimes they look like brush strokes or white streamers in the sky. These clouds form when moisture moves high into the atmosphere. Winds at that level shape the clouds into long, stretched patterns. Cirrus clouds do not bring rain or snow themselves, but they often appear 1 or 2 days before a change in the weather. When cirrus clouds show up, it usually means a warm front is on the way. That means rain or snow might be coming. Pilots flying at high altitudes often fly through or above cirrus clouds. From above, cirrus clouds still look thin and bright white, even in early morning or at sunset. Let's review what we learned. Cumulus clouds are puffy and white, usually seen on sunny days. They're found low in the sky and can grow into storm clouds if they get tall. Stratus clouds are flat and gray, cover the sky like a blanket, bring light rain or drizzle, and can turn into fog if they reach the ground. Cirrus clouds are thin and wispy, found high in the sky. They are made of ice crystals and can signal changing weather. These three main types of clouds, cumulus, stratus, and cirrus, help scientists, weather forecasters, and even regular people understand the sky and the weather. Each cloud type has its own shape, height, and meaning. By learning how to spot them, we can notice patterns and know what kind of weather might come next. Cumulus clouds often mean fair weather, but if they grow tall, they can turn into storm clouds. Stratus clouds tell us the weather is calm but cloudy. They might bring a light mist or rain. Cirrus clouds are a clue that the weather may change. When they appear, it may mean rain or snow is on the way in a day or two. Each time you look up at the sky, you can use what you know about clouds to understand what might happen next. You do not need special tools. All you need are your eyes and a little patience. Clouds are not just pretty shapes in the sky, they are part of Earth's weather system. They help keep the planet cool. They carry water to plants, animals, and people. And they tell us stories about what is happening in the air above us. By knowing the three main types of clouds, cumulus, stratus, and cirrus, you can begin to read the sky like a weather map. The next time you go outside, take a moment to look up. What clouds do you see? Are they high or low? Are they fluffy, flat, or wispy? By watching the clouds, you are learning about the world around you. Thanks for watching the Big Idea series, where we answer curious questions for curious minds. As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.